Hello? Hello? Am I live? Am I gone? Am I here? It looks like I'm live. But am I really though? Am I actually live? Oh, I got disconnected. I think. Did did it restart the stream or am I still going? I think it got disconnected and restarted a new thing. That's fine. Um my Ethernet got disconnected or something. The Surface does not like being connected to Ethernet, or it's probably my USB-C hub. Yeah, it looks like you started a session. That's fine. But you're saying no, you don't have Dogecoin. You don't know anything about crypto coins. That's okay. It's so funny, you know, that you named yourself Dogecoin, but you don't know anything about crypto. Video cut out for me. Oh shoot! What am I doing? Don't watch yourself. Precious bandwidth to worry about. You can mine it easily. See, I'd mined Dogecoin back when it was still feasible to use a GPU for Dogecoin, but as far as I know, I think you need an ASIC now. I haven't like caught up on mining Dogecoin, but there's some sort of thing called an ASIC they use for mining. Oh, before I got interrupted, we were about to open up this fan. Apparently, these are like really fancy fans. Yeah, GPUs were used for mining, but then there was some sort of thing called an ASIC. It's supposedly more efficient for mining, specifically Dogecoin. But there's other coins that you can use GPUs for mining. Like I think Ethereum is a coin that you can use GPUs for, so that's why GPUs are really hard to find. Man. The scaling got all messed up because I had to disconnect my display. I'm gonna open this up. Switch. So these fans are supposedly good. What is all this stuff? Oh, it comes with cables. Wait, did I not need to purchase splitter cables? It comes with all this stuff. I don't know what all this stuff is. Looks like it's like toolless mounting. Noctua. Wow. Look at that. I can't remember, like, do you remember what, wow. It feels so premium. It is a premium fan. What's this? Is this a splitter or an extension? It has like all this rubber stuff too. Anti-vibration rubber corners. I don't know When did these come out? Like, what year did this come out? Because it seems like these are pretty new. I don't think Noctua existed back in 2014, which is the last time I built a PC. Wow. Look at all those fan blades. So fancy. I know. Very premium. you, I don't know if you want to know how much these fans cost. These are supposedly like top of the line for 120 millimeter fans. Oh no, they're not that much. These ran me about $32 each. I bought four, two for each radiator. Come on. Go. Yeah, $32 for one fan is kind of crazy, but these definitely feel really premium. Why won't you close? The manual was getting squished. Yeah, I gotta like look at the manual and see where to mount the drives and like come up with a plan. Maybe like come up with a plan on how to mount everything if I need to route some cables behind the motherboard before mounting the motherboard. I want to do a little bit of like fancy cable management, even though you won't see any of it. It's kind of a bummer I won't be able to use this 92mm fan on the transplant case. But maybe I can use it for the end case M1, because I know the end case M1 has or is it end case? The end case M1 had a fan, a 92mm fan, or is it? Does it? Fan support. Yeah, right here. One rear 92mm. And then for the other fans, it can fit two 120 millimeters on the bottom, and then on the side 120mm. But I'm thinking now on the end case, if the video card is going to be on the bottom, where does the graphics card go? Shoot, I don't even know. I shouldn't worry about that right now. I just know that the end case is gonna be, it's gonna be a lot more planning to figure out where to mount everything, and hopefully that all the parts that I have fit in it. I'm pretty sure the GPU is gonna be on the side. Then I'll have the radiator on no, radiator on the side, GPU bottom, and a fan on top. But I don't know if the fans that I have will fit with the GPU. I might have to get some slim fans of the of this guy. A slim version of this. This is a Noctua A1225. So it's a 120mm with a 25mm thickness. I had to get the slim version, which is 15mm. Do you do a lot of do any of you do a lot of PC building? Cause this is basically gonna be my second PC build. And I kind of like jumped into this really fast without doing too much research. You've built tons throughout the year. That's cool. So you've built with the NCase M1? Is building with the building in the NCase M1 pretty difficult? Is it like difficult for someone who's building their second PC? Super easy. Oh, shoot, I just remembered. I have another box. we got two more we got two more things to open. The toughest thing will be cable management. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna need this, but I did buy some fan splitters. But I don't know if I need these because it looks like the fans came with them already. No rocks so far, unless unless I find rocks in this next one. How did I forget about this? The power supplies. Gotta open the power supplies. I just found this in the box. Oh, it's a 90 degree SATA cable. SATA cable. So this box came in slightly damaged. It's like I can see stuff here. The box ripped here at the corner. Oh wait. Okay, no, don't look at that. I mean, hopefully I'm streaming at a pretty low bit rate, I think. I mean, maybe you probably didn't see my address. We'll just open it. I don't want to deal with trying to rip off the label. Now imagine if it's the power supplies that are rocks because the corner of the box is ripped. See, look at that. Look at that. I bought two Cooler Master SFX power supplies. And I went with these over the Corsairs because these have a 10-year warranty. Though I saw that the Corsair 750 SFX were on sale. Do you think it's worth it to get the was it? Are they still on sale? So I got these for about $125 each. I got two of them. If I go to is it Newegg? Corsair. Do you think going 750 watts is worth the upgrade? Oops. You're probably okay. Here, look. These are the ones that went on sale. 185. I forget how much they are normal price. But these are platinum. What do you call it? 80 plus platinum certified. Whereas these 650 watts from Cooler Master's only gold certified. Right, and maybe if you had a 3090 then you'd need more wattage. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to do the Newegg shuffles to try to get one of those video cards. But then if I mean, it doesn't really matter, but if I do get like a GTX 3000 series card, then I wouldn't be able to use it in Mac OS. I mean, it's not really a deal breaker, but you know, you know what's funny is Cooler Master has a freaking 850 watt power supply in SFX, but I don't know how much they are. It's pretty funny though, 850 watts in a tiny power supply. Should I open this? I should open at least one, right? Because one of them will be opened on this. One of them will be used on a... What? You read that these power supplies aren't great? Or the 850s? Or both? You read that the 650, the Cooler Master SFX power supplies are not that good? The 850s were noisy. Oh, I see. Yeah, you know, I think I really do kind of want a quiet PC. I never really bothered with I never really bothered with trying to make my current PC quiet. The fan noise is pretty there's a lot of fan noise. I have a 200 millimeter fan on the front of the PC, and I don't think any of the fans are controlled via PWM. I'm getting tired. So wait. I'm okay to open this, right? I shouldn't. I should not buy the 850s. I mean the 750 Corsairs. I mean, it's like, are these power supplies worth the extra $60 currently? Sorry. Just let me know if I should open this now or return it and get these Corsairs. I don't really know too much about power supplies, but I did a tiny bit of like video watchings. Everybody uses them, but it's a ton of money for a PSU. It's true, but also I'm using Dogecoin. It's imaginary money already. It's like negligible, right? Unless I get a better, uh, unless I manage to get a better video card. Does it matter though? Like 650 or 750? Huh. Corsairs are nice and everybody uses them. It's a ton of money for PSU. It is a lot of money. Oh, also, like, I've been kind of shopping for, I've been shopping for monitors too, but I don't want to go too crazy on monitors because I don't really have a modern, or not modern, I don't have an up-to-date video card to use them with. Like, I don't know if does the GTX Titan Black have, support the G-Sync or whatever it is? GTX Titan Black G-Sync. Everybody in Sab's server basically has a SF750 from Corsair. Is that peer pressure? Did everyone buy it from peer pressure? Or not peer pressure, but just like a suggestion? Look, it does have G-Sync. Huh. Cool. So I can look at a monitor that has G-Sync. I want to get two monitors. Um, one monitor will be in they'll both be mounted onto like a riser or something. If you don't plan to need a more powerful GPU, then don't spend the extra $60. I mean, it's like, I would like to have a nicer GPU. But I mean, like, my transplant PC is just gonna be used for streaming. I'll probably use the GTX 660 Ti for it. But it'd be nicer to have a more up-to-date NVIDIA card that has the more up-to-date video encoders or OBS. But it's not really necessary. I'm not doing like 1080 resolution yet. I don't need to because I just do music. I'm kind of wondering if I should have done 1080 for this stream, but not on the surface. Music. Oh, I'm so indecisive. Yeah, you know, I think I'm probably just okay with these power supplies. If they crap out, they have a 10-year warranty. Right? If they died, because there's not really much you do with it. If you overload the power supply, does that knock it out of warranty? Got the V6. V650. Oh, that's not gonna help. Here. Oh wait, that's not it. That's just the regular one. SFX? This is it. Oh yeah, this is it. They're not actually. This is a different seller. It's not 146. 125. It's actually, the ones that I got are out of stock right now. I guess I got lucky, or maybe I bought the last ones. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. Shit, yeah. How much are the 600 watts? Do these 600 watts cost more? $140? Wait, that's for the platinum. How much for the gold ones? Oh, they're the same price. And it has a promo code. Anyway, so I paid the same price, and I get 50 more watts and 3 extra years of warranty compared to the Corsair. But then if I wanted to go like the 750 platinum, then that's like an extra $60. Eh. Let's just open this. I bought so much stuff from Cooler Master already. May as well fit it the entire thing with Cooler Master. Not really. I didn't get the Cooler Master AIO for this case. I'm actually mostly excited to see the size of the NCase M1. I bet that thing's tiny. It probably isn't though. It's probably about like the same size. It's more space efficient on the inside. I'll probably end pretty soon. I'm getting tired. Especially my voice. My voice is getting tired. It's mega tiny. Compared to the, like, have you seen the NR200P? Is it like even tinier than the NR200P? What did I do? I just turned my whole screen grayscale. Flux! What did I press? How did I make it grayscale? How much for a box of rocks right here? A box of rocks. It is not rocks. Man, I've never seen an SFX power supply before. These things are so small.
It doesn't matter how much you know about
This is a sticker.
implementation or
I haven't seen the NR200 in real life yet. Thing is tiny.
these kind of video game terms. None of that matters if you can't
Got the
well.
3 SATA power things, PCI, motherboard, motherboard. Wait, what's the sticker say? Oh no, did I forgot to look at the thing? Is this the old one? This is the old one. What about the other one? 15% fanless. These are the old power supplies. Apparently they have a new stock of power supplies. Yeah, because these power supplies, they don't spin until there's 15% load. But apparently they updated these power supplies so that it doesn't spin, or it does spin, or something like that. I forget what it was. I forgot to look at that before opening up the shrink wrap. Better put it back. Maybe I can still return it. But I did open it with the shrink wrap, so maybe I can't return it. Where did I see that though? It's not on YouTube. Because the updated boxes, they replaced this to say like uses Japanese capacitors instead of a 15% fanless. Oh man, what is it?
You have to know how to take those in
What are these called?
in your heart and
No.
say something meaningful. And I don't think that's necessarily something you learn in school or something you learn from reading a book or watching YouTube videos or anything. I think that's
updated.
from doing it, from trying it over and over and over and over and over and over and over.
Oh wait, that's not it. I found this guy who has a bunch of videos on the NR200P. So I watched a lot of his videos and made some decisions on like the power supply, because yeah, see here he talks about the Cooler Master's power supply fan behavior update. But it looks like I didn't get the updated ones. Oh well. Should I deal with it? Or should I like return it? What should I do? Oh no. Oh no. Should not be logged in. Um, yeah, it's a power supply. I might just keep this. I think that's everything. I think that's all the parts that I need. But yeah, should we raid somebody? I'm kind of done for the night. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. If you're still here, if you're just lurking, thanks for hanging out. Where do you want to go? Should we just like go to music since that's what I usually do for streaming? Should we just go find a chill musician? Let's see. Who's on? Wait, I gotta refresh it because Julie's not on anymore. There you go. I don't think I've rated Kuyasai. Have I rated him? I don't think so. Let's go raid Kuyasai. It's been going about 3 hours. Yeah. Let's say he got a haircut too. Pretty sure he goes. I'm pretty sure he goes on for a while. Let's go raid him. I still have yet to decide on what time I'm gonna stream on Sunday. But if you follow, you can get notifications for when I go live. I also post on like Twitter when I go live, so you can follow me on Twitter. Rondi is the same thing. Is there anything else I should say? Thank you, I guess. Thanks for being here. It was supposed to be short and just like unbox and that's it, but it ended up being like full on stream. Do I do the thing here? Raid, sub raid, and why did they do that? They changed the /me so it just makes it italics now instead of like changing it into your color. What is up with that? Yeah. Okay. Let's go raid. See, cool. Wait, no. Is it? It's Kuyasai music. Oh no. Oh no. What did I do? Kuyasai music. Alrighty, hopefully he doesn't like raid somebody. Let's make sure. Oh no, the ad. That's not. Why did it play the ad? Oh. I have no idea. Let's go raid him. I'll see you on Sunday, everybody. Have a good night. Have a good week. Rest of the week until Sunday, I guess. Alright. Ending thing. Will the credits play? There they go. Oh no! There's supposed to be more, but like, remember the stream got disconnected and so the credits aren't showing all the raids. Thanks for rating other people. Was it Julie And shoot, I can't remember who else rated. Sorry, but thanks so much for rating me. Take care, y'all. Bye.